Now we have retention. So here are a few tips about email marketing campaigns that you can use to retain your audience. So one tip is to reactivate users who stopped using your product. So if you're also SaaS, if you're also B2B, you can identify which users have stopped using your app or platform in the past 3 days or 30 days, and then you can send them the engagement emails. So here we have Animoto. They tell you like, hey, it's been a while. Are you still alive? Are you still there? Please use our product. And you also have Grammarly. They do the same thing. Like, hey, it's been a while. We actually released some new features since you left. Do you want to use Grammarly again? So I think this is great for reactivating users who stopped using your product. Another tip, because activation and retention are linked. So whenever someone gets activated and they see the value of your product, there's a high chance they're gonna end up, using it more and more. So this email drip campaign by Copy.ai can be also used at retention. So not only activation, but also retention. And that's why if you have also a software or SaaS, feel free to send them some video tips and tricks on how to use your product properly, because you want them to get that value and whether they can be retained. So having these emails also helps. And customer support can also help with retention. So one example is by my colleague and friend, Alan. So Alan now is into AI and he maybe wants to launch his own podcast. So he's just testing things out. And he found this tool called Wondercraft Podcast. So it's an AI tool that can help you create your podcast recording, editing, and everything in one place. And he was testing their free trial, and then he forgot that his Revolut card was empty because he tops it every now and then. And he received a message or an email from their customer support like, hey, Alan, thanks for using our platform. Just want to make sure that you update your subscription because it expired. Did something go wrong with the payment? Do you want to extend your trial? Do you want a discount? And Alan was like, oh, hey, man, I didn't know that my card was empty. Thanks for letting me know. I would love the discount. And then he actually used the discount and now he got retained and now he's using their platform. So customer support can also be a great way to retain your audience. This is not automated. Of course, you have an actual human being behind the keyboard. You have to be patient with your audience. If you solve their problems, they're going to appreciate this. They're going to get activated and there's a high chance they're going to be retained.